I think we do tonight for sure. It's just going to be a morning event. By midday, things tapering off, but unfortunately our clouds will stick around throughout the duration of the weekend. So here's your holiday forecast. Christmas Eve, of course, tomorrow, plenty of clouds around. We've got some fog in the morning and drizzle, but it's more about how warm it is. Temperatures right around 50 degrees. Then on Christmas Day, which is Monday, we've got some sunshine in the morning. How about those temperatures? Our highs in the upper 50s, so we're nearing 60. I wouldn't be surprised if some of us do hit 60, and then we'll be tracking showers later in the day. I'll have that hour by hour forecast for you coming up. But I am tracking showers right now, more on the light side. There are some pockets of moderate showers anywhere you see the yellow and the orange, but we've got light rain from Elyria to Medina over into Akron. Down towards Norwalk, Bellevue, that's where it's coming down at a good clip, especially over towards Walnut Creek, headed towards Strasburg. So in our southern communities, we have some moderate to heavy rain approaching 250 there. Now, as we widen out the view, this is why we're warm. We have the stationary front up to the north of us. That's blocking any of the colder air from moving in. So this is going to stay north through the day today, allowing the warmer air to funnel in. It's 46 in Indianapolis, same with Cincinnati, but look at St. Louis checking in at 54. That air mass is headed our way. We're going to be at 50 pretty soon. Temperatures right now in the lower 40s. Again, as we move through midday, that's when things start to taper off. We're not going to shut down the chance altogether here as we move through the rest of the day today into tonight and tomorrow. There's a chance of a few spotty showers and pockets of drizzle around. And again, clouds remain common. With the clouds around, our temperatures will hover in the mid 40s through the day today. Coming up, I've got your holiday travel.
Don't be a Grinch. Just watch the movie.
Just watch the movie. That'll be the best way to get through the holidays.
Seriously.
Instead of taking from somebody. But anyway, we're going to take away the sun today.
Yes.
We're going to take away, probably holiday angst because hopefully.
The rest of the snow that's left over, it'll melt.
Yeah. Are you guys ready for Christmas?
Yeah,
for the most part.
Pretty much.
So no mad dash today?
No, the siege of Christmas continues.
Yeah, a little wrapping to do.
Some of us might have a mad dash to get to the airport. Maybe we're leaving to go visit loved ones for the holiday. So I have your air travel delays, potential delays. Now, this isn't in real time. This is focusing in on where we could have some weather caused delays down towards Nashville and Miami this morning possibility. As we head into this evening, we'll be looking at places like Denver, Omaha, Fargo, if it's going to North Dakota, and then down towards Dallas and New Orleans into the morning hours on Sunday. So Christmas Eve, the middle sections of the country possibly dealing with delays due to weather. Heavy rain down towards the deep south. That's going to push its way to the east. So Atlanta, that's a big hub. Could have some problems there Christmas Eve night, and then as we head into Christmas Day along the East Coast, even out towards Minneapolis and Omaha, upper Midwest here. This is where we're going to be dealing with some snow on Christmas. No snow for us. In our area, we've got rain moving in. So on the ground, traveling on our roadways, Christmas Eve, areas of fog in the morning. There could be some pockets of drizzle around too throughout the day tomorrow. On Christmas Day, actually looking good. I think we'll have some sunshine around in the morning, then clouds will increase. It's after 6 o'clock in the evening that we'll get the rain moving in, and the day after will be rainy. So here's what it looks like right now on Storm Fox. We are dealing with some light showers across our area. Give it till about 2 o'clock this afternoon. It should push out of here. We'll have some pockets of drizzle left over, and the clouds, of course, will stay left over. Now, this is your Christmas Day. So here's this batch of rain. 4 o'clock, you can see not moving into our area just yet, pushing in during the evening and overnight on Christmas Day. That's out of here. We've got Tuesday, some rain around. Wednesday, continuing with these rain showers, but watch this. A pattern flip. Colder air will start to curl on in after Wednesday of next week, and we've got a wintry mix headed our way on Thursday, changing over to snow, and then possibly tracking a clipper system here Thursday into Friday. That could put a blanket of snow on the ground. We're not talking anything big, clipper systems 1-2 inches possible, but there is the possibility that we'll wrap up the year with some snow on the ground here in Northeast Ohio. Not the case over the next couple couple of days. Check out this forecast. 46 degrees today. Tomorrow on Christmas Eve, 50, nearing 60 Christmas. Soak it all in. Just a couple more days of this Christmas music and then it's going to be gone. All right, here's a look at your 8-hour forecast. We've got temperatures right now in the lower 40s. We're headed in the mid 40s this afternoon. So not much difference here by the morning into the afternoon. And the reason why, with lots of clouds around and of course we're dodging the raindrops. Now, throughout the afternoon, I do expect it not to be as widespread as what it is right now, but there will still be pockets of isolated showers and drizzle around. Right now, we do have pockets of more moderate rain, one over towards, let's say, north and east of Mansfield headed into Ashland, and then we have another batch that's pushing through Stark County. The rest of us, again, light, steady rain. You go off to the west, starting to already taper off here. I expect this around 1 o'clock this afternoon for us. So this batch out, and then we'll be watching as our second batch moves in. This time it's going to move in after, let's say, Christmas evening, maybe after 6 o'clock. So I'll time it here on Futurecast for you. The scattered light showers around this morning. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We've got lots of cloud cover, pockets of showers and drizzle possible as we move through the night into tomorrow as well. You can see rather spotty, so less than a 20% chance here across our area through the day on Sunday. It's more about the cloud cover and the warmer temperatures. I think on Sunday we'll actually reach 50 degrees and we'll get even warmer from there. Now, Sunday evening, this is your Christmas Eve. Quiet conditions, so no problems if you are traveling. Christmas Day, we'll start off with some sunshine around in the morning. I do expect some filtered sun. Depending on how much sun we see, this could mean temperatures topping possibly near 60. The rain staying away through much of the day. As we head into the late afternoon, it'll start to move into our far western communities, so Ottawa, Seneca, Sandusky, and then continue to spread eastward. So Christmas Day evening, we will likely have rain showers around. So again, after 6 o'clock. Temperatures low 40s at the moment. Akron, Canton, you're at 39 degrees. And this rain is rather light. So we're looking at less than 1/10 of an inch as it moves through. So on and off light showers this morning. Temperatures staying mainly in the mid 40s. Tonight, not moving much temperature-wise. We're down to 42. We'll be watching for areas of fog to form, so tomorrow morning you might encounter it if you're headed out. By tomorrow afternoon, mostly cloudy. Our temperature 50 degrees, and it gets warmer from there. How about this? On Christmas Day, our temperatures will be nearing 60, depending on how much sunshine we see early on. Clouds will increase, showers arrive Monday night. Now, the day after Christmas, we'll have scattered on and off showers throughout the day. On Wednesday, it'll start to move out of here. So the second half of the day looking dry, and then our temperatures plunge. We are back into the...
Get out of here.
Moving fast.
Moving fast. All right. Let's take a look at our forecast. I guess he'll need Rudolph today if he's flying around Cleveland.
That's true. We have some rain around. There will be some fog, but not flying around Cleveland right now.
Okay.
It's us that are flying around Cleveland.
Right.
I mean, we might have some loved ones coming in. We might be flying out.
That's
I did
true.
check Hopkins. There are a couple delays already showing up there. Denver,
Grandma will get here,
St.
kids.
Louis.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah. So Ken, check your flights. And out west, that's where we're seeing the issues this morning. So Denver, again, Omaha could be a problem. As we head into tonight, looking good on the East Coast. Again, over towards Denver, this is due to some snow and also a wintry mix. 10 a.m. tomorrow morning at Dallas, New Orleans, there's going to be a lot of rain, even some thunderstorms in the south, even down towards Miami. And as we move towards Sunday evening, we're looking good. By Monday morning, still green here. Down towards Nashville and Atlanta, there could be some issues. And again, over towards the Plain States, they're going to be dealing with some snow here on Christmas Day. Our area, we're likely just going to have some rain around in the evening. So here is your holiday travel forecast tomorrow on Christmas Eve. You might run into some fog in the morning and some pockets of drizzle through the day. It's going to be rather cloudy. On Christmas Day, I'm expecting it to be dry through much of the day. It's after sunset, after 6 o'clock, the rain will start to move in, and it definitely will be a rainy one the day after Christmas. Here's what it looks like on StormFox right now. I am tracking some light showers across our area. These should be out by around 1 o'clock. I can't rule out the fact that we could have a stray shower pushing in the afternoon. But the widespread rain will be out of here by that point. So looking ahead, this is your Christmas Day, Monday at 5 p.m. That's when you'll notice the showers starting to approach our area. So Christmas Day evening, we'll likely have the rain to contend with. That'll be out of here, and eventually the wraparound will move in. So we've got scattered showers around on Tuesday. Looking ahead beyond that, a pattern flip. Watch this rain move out of here on Wednesday. Colder air comes in behind it, and we'll likely have a wintry mix starting to form late Wednesday night into Thursday, and then by the time we hit Friday, we'll be tracking a clipper system. That's going to bring maybe a coating of snow or a couple inches on the ground here when all is said and done with. So when we're wrapping up 2023, we could have some snow on the ground. Remember, clipper systems, they're in and they're out of here, but everybody's seeing like a trace to 2 inches of snow. So your early snowfall futurecast does paint a picture of some snow on the ground as we head into next weekend. No snow today. It's rain, 46 degrees. By the time we get into Christmas Eve, we'll top 50. And then on Monday, Christmas Day, nearing 60, depending on how much sunshine. So we'll talk more about the timing of this coming up. But here's a look at your 8-hour forecast. The rain around this morning as we head into the afternoon, more so spotty. Temperatures in the mid 40s, lots of clouds. So here's what it looks like on StormFox. Lots of green on the map. And we did have some pockets of moderate shower push through parts of Stark and Columbiana County. That's now to the east and still dealing with the rain off to the west. It's where we're drying out, northern Indiana, all the way out towards Chicago. You'll notice still a couple of sprinkles in around here. That's what I'm expecting later this afternoon. So here it is on Futurecast. The rain gets out of here by about 2-3 o'clock. We're just cloudy. Isolated sprinkle possible tonight. Watch out for areas of fog late tonight into early tomorrow morning. And tomorrow, unfortunately, the clouds are going to stick around, but it's going to get a lot warmer. Temperatures tomorrow headed to 50 degrees, and I wouldn't be surprised if maybe we get some breaks of sun before the sun goes down. Now, as we head into Christmas, this is Christmas morning. We'll start off with some filtered sunshine. Depending on how much sunshine we get, we could get closer and closer to 60 degrees in the afternoon. Then the clouds thicken up in the afternoon. Eventually, the showers get here. We're talking mainly after 6 p.m., so the evening hours will be a wet one, and then we'll continue to dodge those raindrops as we head into Tuesday. Temperatures right now in the lower 40s for most of us. Akron, Canton, you're checking in at 39 still. We're going to hover low and mid 40s throughout the day today. And again, everything's really light, so we're looking at less than 1/10 of an inch. 46 degrees today, on and off showers, tapers midday. Areas of fog develops tonight. Temperatures still in the lower 40s. And then tomorrow we'll hit 50 after some fog around in the morning. Mostly cloudy. Get some breaks of sun here late in the day on Christmas Eve. And then we've got some sunshine around Christmas Day. Look at these temperatures though. Upper 50s, possibly even 60 degrees. We'll hang on to those mild temperatures into the day after Christmas. Fortunately, it looks like a rainy one. So again, traveling Monday night and into Tuesday, we will have the rain around. This will linger into early Wednesday. Here comes the change. Colder air creeps back into our area.
Yes, Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Well, we are not going to have a white Christmas. We are going to have a cloudy, gray Christmas.
White New Year's Eve, though.
Yes. So changes.
Okay.
Yeah. Big changes coming. Right now, unfortunately, it's rainy.
Yeah.
So we're starting off the weekend on a rainy note. We're going to end it on a rainy note too. But hopefully it won't affect travel plans.
Okay.
I mean, dealing with ice, you're not dealing with the snow. So that's good news. Now, travel delays, we're looking out west from Denver all the way down to Dallas this afternoon and this evening. In fact, as you move along the south here, Dallas and in New Orleans tomorrow, they're going to get widespread rain. So if you have plans to fly out to Dallas, New Orleans, or Miami, some issues there, even ports west. As we move into your Christmas Day, Atlanta, Nashville, Minneapolis might have some delays. That's actually due to some snow up in the upper Midwest, upper plain states. Travel back home. So Roads, I think the only thing we're going to have to deal with are just wet roads. Christmas Eve, we'll have some fog around in the morning, so that could slow you down. I'm not thinking any kind of dense fog, but just some patchy fog. Drizzle. On Christmas Day, a few showers after 6 o'clock. So much of your day will be dry. And then the day after Christmas, that's going to be your rainy travel day. All right, so here's what's going on StormFox. We do have some showers in our area, most of this on the light side, but still a nuisance as we kick off the weekend. Maybe you have to do some errands today before Christmas Eve. You'll run into these raindrops here for the first half of the day. I think by around 1, 2 o'clock, this will be out of here. We'll still have a few leftover sprinkles, but that's about it. This is your Christmas Day. This is 6 o'clock, and you can see the rain starting to move into our area. It's more about the mild temperatures on Christmas Day. It's not going to feel like Christmas. We'll be right around 60 degrees. So this batch of rain pushing through during the evening hours, and then it'll kind of linger around into your day on Tuesday. So looking ahead as we wrap up 2023, we'll start off with some rain around on Wednesday. That system moving out of here and the colder air closing in behind it, that by the time we get into Wednesday night and Thursday, we'll probably be tracking a wintry mix across our area. Then a clipper system will move in on Friday. Clippers, fast moving system, they're in and out, but it's bringing in the cold, and we'll likely have maybe an inch or two of snow on the ground by the time we say goodbye to that system, and then lake effect on the back side of it. So maybe, as if this rings true here, your snowfall futurecast, we could have 1 or 2 inches of snow on the ground by Friday evening. So things are changing. Today, 46 degrees, showers ending by around 1, and then 50 degrees on your Christmas Eve. Even warmer Christmas Day, we're headed to 60. And I do expect some areas to hang out right around 60 degrees here on Tuesday as well, even though we do have the rain around. We'll linger into Wednesday morning, and then it's all about the cold. Our temperature.
Well, going to the airport during the holidays can be even more stressful than normal, but the Portland airport is looking to ease some of that.
Next to you on the plane.
Yeah.
That's the
Rosie.
It could be. It's a therapy llama. It should be maybe allowed on the plane.
It could be. It's just amazing what animals can do to your just like entire nervous system.
Just calm you down, you know, just to relax you a little bit. That's
Love
always
that.
cool.
Plus, Portland's just a little bizarre. A little strange, so that tracks.
Have therapy camels. Therapy camels are next.
Llamas and dogs.
Yeah.
Right.
But yeah, I mean, you wouldn't want to pet a fluffy llama.
Right.
There you go.
Yeah.
You know?
And especially if you have a flight delay because of rain in the area.
Yeah. Here comes winter.
All right. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you.
Have a great Saturday.